Hello and welcome back to our channel. In this mini-series of 3 episodes, we are going to show you the perfect skincare tips for your daily skincare routine. So let's get it started and let's go. 6. Avoid direct heat exposure. Don't just watch out for the sun. Too much exposure to heaters and fireplaces can harm the skin as well. It results in inflammation and collagen deterioration. I advise remaining at least 10 feet away, says dermatologist Dr. Debbie Palmer of New York. Take a step back the next time you're toasting chestnuts or making s'mores over an open flame. 7. Exfoliate a couple times per week. We lose 50 million skin cells a day, and without a little extra knowledge, they may hang around leaving the skin looking sullen, says Dr. Gogol. You should select a product that is pH neutral so it doesn't dry as it exfoliates. To combat this, additionally, don't only exfoliate your face. Your body's skin also requires it. 8. Vitamins should balm your skin, too. While maintaining a healthy diet is crucial, there are other ways to provide your skin with vitamins. Topical antioxidants are creams and serums with substances that nourish the skin. Consider a vitamin C serum. Dr. Palmer says that they can really help to repair the skin from sun damage. Having trouble using them? They should be used as soon as possible after cleansing so that your skin has time to absorb them, or you can layer them under your sunscreen for additional protection. 9. Get your greens. Despite the temptation to grab a coffee as soon as you wake up, Joanna Vargas, a skincare facialist in New York City, believes picking the correct drinks can make all the difference. For skin that is brighter, more oxygenated, and more hydrated, take a shot of chlorophyll every morning. Chlorophyll is beneficial for cellulite because it stimulates the lymphatic system, which helps drain puffiness. Chlorophyll supplements are widely available at pharmacies and health food stores if you don't feel like downing a shot of the substance. It will transform your complexion in a matter of days, she said, and it also helps oxygenate the skin and stimulates lymphatic drainage, so it's depuffing. She also suggested drinking green juices with lots of vegetables in them. 10. Maintain a healthy diet. Omega-3 fatty acids are crucial to your skin's natural ability to retain moisture, Joanna recommends. Adding walnuts or flax seeds to your salad will instantly boost your omega-3 levels, improving your skin's capacity to retain moisture. Additionally, make sure your diet is minimal in simple and complex carbs, which have a high glycemic index. Please like and subscribe to our channel for life-changing content and hit the like button. Thank you for watching. Have a wonderful day.